guys! Welcome back to Save Up with Bobbie. Now, sa topic na to, what is a stock market? And how can we trade in stocks? So watch out! Tune in and don't tune out. Hello mga payaman! Welcome back to Save Up with Bobbie. Now, this is Bobbie Bernaldez. I'm a lady driver here in Qatar, and I make videos with saving, investing, protecting money, and usapang mga OFW. Now, sa lahat na liligaw dito sa vlog na ito, can you please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo agad-agad. So, what is stock market? And how can we trade in stocks? Rather, how can we trade stocks? But first, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-ticketing, magbenta ng load, or ng mga for exchange, you can join our group, the Unified. Because in Unified, it is a one-time shop. Now also join our free seminar for financial education and be an investor and be protected. Go join with us, IMG. Because in IMG, we care. Basta po, mag-contact lang po kayo sa FB account so that I can assist you. So, back to our topic. What is the stock market? And how can we trade stocks? Say what?
A few moments later.
So, according here sa Wikipedia, stock market is where stockbrokers and traders can buy and sell shares and bonds and other securities. So, it's more on buy and sell. Yung essence dito is to buy low and sell high. So, we can get stock market in the Philippines through First Metro, kung meron kang Metro Bank. What I'm using is Call Financials kasi pwede kasi yung ma-link sa BPI. For international naman, I use eToro. So you can check that out. But to elaborate more, I know someone who can talk about this topic. So tignan muna natin. It's the right time. So let's see.
Well, she's got
Hi guys!
Bobbie Bernaldez, what's up?
So, sorry talaga at na-disturbo ko kayo. I'm just doing a presentation on stock versus bonds, and I'm really curious on how you would explain this further. Can you help me with that?
Sure thing. Actually, it's a pleasure. The last time we saw each other was... Damn, ang cute mo naman.
Thank you, Camille. That's really sweet of you.
She knows my name.
Hey, so why won't we start and tell us more about what is a stock market?
Stock is the share of a company. Sometimes low, sometimes up. Yeah, it's like trading. So you buy a share of stocks in a company and it pretty much means that you're part owner of it.
Ibig ba sabihin yung tulad ng mga Spider-Man or yung mga choo-choo train set?
Oh, so what's this movie? What do you think I am?
Teka. Well, you're just 14 and a half months. Tama nga ba?
Patay.
Okay. So why won't we move on?
Okay, here's the thing. You buy low, you sell high, you buy the right stock at the right time.
What do you mean by that?
There are certain indicators in the charts. We should know the resistance and the support. Yeah, sometimes low, sometimes up.
Okay. So how do we get money? How can we make more money, rather?
It's as simply as buy low, sell high. If you are in a good trading, then you hit the jackpot.
Okay, Camille. Anong tingin mo sa stock market?
Well, I really don't know, but I do the trade just to that I could impress you. Is that working? Do you like it? You don't have to answer that, Bobbie. Oh well, you can also earn stock market by investing, but you have to invest for around 3 to 5 years or 10 years so that you can gain profit.
And when the time is up?
Then you will gain profit from it.
Very good. Nako, you're so very bright.
Oh, sorry, excuse me for a moment. Honey, can I hit you back? I have a meeting with my friend, so call you back. Okay? Bye-bye. Ang sweet naman ng asawa mo to. So, where are we?
Okay, yung sasabihin ko lang naman is, well, never mind. So, thank you so much guys for the time that you've spent with us. So, that's it. You gave me a really good idea about it.
You're welcome.
Ikaw, Camille, kamusta naman dyan?
Mahal kita, hindi ito bola. Umiti ka man sana, ako'y nasa
Okay, bye,
langit
guys.
na.
Thanks
Mahal
again.
kita,
Okay guys, so I hope that may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Now, question. Do you rather be an investor or a trader? Now, comment down below para pag-usapan natin ito. Now, pakatandaan, sa bawat problema, may solusyon. Now, you have to learn from it, work from it, and grow from it. Now, thank you so much guys for watching Save Up with Bobbie. This is Bobbie Bernaldez. See you on my next video.